What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. Well, now it's mostly sneakers, but I'll make sure to catch up on the tech part in the coming videos. For this vlog, we are reviewing the Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Butter. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of hyper laces as well as REMS cleaning solution the moment we hit 20,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. I love the Yeezy 350 Boost. It's one of my favorite sneakers because it's just ridiculously hella fire and comfortable. I think that's the main selling point of the shoe. If you take away the hype, if you take away the resale value, if you take away Kanye West, at the end of the day, this is super comfortable on feet. I mean, it's literally like wearing hotel slippers while you are walking out in the city. And that's why I love the shoe. More than the hype, it's really how comfortable it is as an everyday lifestyle sneaker. Now, that's the reason why I have 6 of them already. I have the Oxford Tans, the Pirate Blacks, the Zebras, the Beluga V2s, and a bunch of other ones there at the back that I can't remember anymore. And this one is the 7th one in my collection. This is Yeezy 350 V2 Boost Butter. And I was pleasantly surprised to how much better it looks in your hand and when you see it for yourself compared to the pictures. The pictures do not do this shoe justice because if you take a look at the pictures, it is overwhelmingly yellow. Your eyes tend to take a look or tend to focus on the laces and that yellow part, the tongue tab, the pull tab here at the back. But it's actually a bit more muted and a lot more subtle than what the pictures show it is, especially when you have it on hand and when you have it on feet. Now, apart from the looks, like what I mentioned earlier, the best thing about this is the comfort. And why is it so comfortable? There are 2 parts to this sneaker that really make it stand out. The first one, of course, is the midsole, which is your Boost midsole that you find that Adidas has been pushing with most of their sneakers, from their NMDs to their Ultra Boost. So that is one big part of the sneaker comfort levels. You have that here at the midsole. But the most underrated part about the sneaker, which I think people don't talk a lot about, is how they constructed the upper. They used prime knit material and they attached it here in the middle, they sewn it together, and it rests ever so gently at the top of your feet. And that's what I think what gives it that hotel slippers kind of vibe, hotel slippers kind of feel. Because if you take a look at, for example, at the Ultra Boost, there's still some sort of sturdiness or constrictnness or like firmness to the upper material. It's not as soft, it's not as cloud-like compared to the Yeezy 350 Boost. At least that's how I feel when I wear this one. If you also take a look at the back of it and along the sides, it's plush, it has pillows, it's just super comfortable, and even the insole is a bit padded to give it a little more comfort compared to your other Boost-equipped sneakers. Now, is it a performance sneaker? Of course not. You do not go to basketball doing the shoe. You do not go running with the sneaker. But if you are looking for a sneaker that you want to rock every day, and it being a lifestyle sneaker that can dress really well, that you can style, in a very versatile manner, especially if you pick the ones with more subtle, muted colors, I think the Yeezy is actually a very good shoe. Again, take away all the hype, take away all the resale value. This is a fantastic sneaker to have. And that's why I agree with the sentiment that this should be a general release sneaker. This shouldn't be so limited. They should just come out with like millions of this in like several colors, because I really feel that everybody who's a sneakerhead should experience wearing the Yeezy 350 Boost because it's a fantastic everyday lifestyle sneaker. So should you cop the 350 Boost Butter? If you ask me, yes, if you can get it at retail or close to retail. The good news is the prices over at StockX have started to go down. As I last checked just earlier today, it's already at $280 for a pair. So it's still a bit far off from the actual SRP, but it is going down. It will probably settle anywhere from $250 to $260. Then you add international shipping, you're looking at $300, approximately around 15 to 16,000 pesos to get a pair of this one, compared to buying it now from the resellers here in the Philippines who are selling it at 25, 30, 35,000 pesos for this pair, which is just crazy. I mean, that's just stupid. I mean, blah. So yeah, so if you want to get it, try to get it as close as possible to retail because you will be wasting money. Sayang ang pera. super sayang, super waste of money if you pay that much for this sneaker. And again, take note guys, there are a lot more Yeezys coming our way. If you haven't seen my video on why you shouldn't pay resale for Yeezys, check it out. It's linked down below. All those who won the raffle, congratulations. To all those who didn't win and weren't fortunate enough, always remember, there is always a better sneaker just around the corner. All you have to do is wait, be patient, and you will be rewarded. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.